it's your girl Ateliva. Thanks again for tuning in. I am so happy the sun is shining. I'm just feeling the pre-spring vibes, let me put it like that. Oh yeah, I have this product here in my hand. Happy to see you all again. It's so amazing how things is just like going and keeping. We said we are manifesting, we are doing things way more better in this year comparing to last year. So today's video I will be showing you guys products. It's a long time I haven't did a skincare video or something like that, so I am actually coming right here now and showing you guys an updated of products I use, my holy grails, products that I am trying out now, what I'm loving. It's really amazing. So let me disclaimer something here. All these products were bought by me and nothing is sponsored at all. I mean, your girl, you guys can help your girl out, you know, make the channel grow so that maybe I can show you guys more products and be sponsored one of these days. It will be all about like a mix and match about like hair, body and hygiene and everything. So the first product I will be showing you guys, hair products I don't really have. Well, I don't have any hair products because I still use my Garnier 3-in-1 mask. Also they brought out the shampoo for it, so those two products are my holy grail. And I have my hair oil mixture, what I use. If you guys want to know what type of hair oil I use, because I did trim my ends by myself and maybe I messed it up a little bit. It's really difficult for me as a woman of color to really find hairdressers who really cuts hair and stuff. So if you guys know anybody near Munich or Frankfurt or anything who cuts woman of color hair or coarse hair or curly hair, please drop the info down in the box. I would definitely come and let them trim my ends properly. But for most and foremost, I learned how to trim my ends from my mom, so she taught me how to do that. But we're not going to get right all into that. That's a whole different level and a whole different case on those things. So yes, the first product I'm going to be showing you guys is my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I bought this product months ago, like let me say 1 or 2 months ago, and it's actually an Advanced Night Repair. Look at this product. This is just like so good. It goes on in your skin very well. Before my moisturizer, I put this on, like I really like put it in my hand, put some drops in my hand, and I really go in and moisturize my face with it. And the next morning, baby, ladies, if you want the glowy skin after you wake up, get this product. This is a little bit pricey, but you can also, there's like Estee Lauder, you can always get like some coupons or anything else. So I will recommend this product right here, as I hardly wear makeup, or my makeup is very minimal and I really don't do that much and stuff on top of it. But I always wanted to try out the Micelle water makeup remover. So this right here, you guys can actually see I really use this product. It's for your face and eyes, and I have it in sensitive. It has like different types for it, but I really use this product to just like go in. If you have like waterproof makeup, this is the best. This is really the best. I let it like soak on my eyes, because my mascara, what I use is actually the Lancome Hyper Drama, and I don't curl my lashes and I do not wear fake lashes. Eyelashes, I really don't use them. I don't really see the use of it, to be honest. Yes, the dramatic look, yes, the longer lashes, everything, yes, go ahead, that's for you. But this right here, this makeup remover from Bioderma, I will purchase this product again, that for sure. I'm just like grabbing all the products all over. So there are also a next product, old but still new, is my Drunk Elephant Sea Serum. I have this, I bought this like in a travel size and everything, but let me tell you all something. If you're all in your 20s, start using vitamin C and retinol. Start doing it, because that thing just, I don't know what it does to your skin, but it makes your skin look so nice. And I will list like everything down here below what vitamin C does really for your skin and what retinol does for your skin. I started using retinol when I was like 22, but I was using it the wrong way. Still, I started to look up on it, and dermatologists and stuff was start putting out more information about it, and then I started using it correctly. And from which brand I use it particularly, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get like retinol and stuff. I actually use from The Ordinary the retinol 2%, if you can actually see it. That's it right here. And it's kind of like very liquid, but I would say after I use my Advanced Night Repair and I put on my moisturizer and then I put on the retinol, I just go and sleep. Yes, I have oily skin. Ladies who are oily, please do not be afraid. Do not be afraid at all. You will see how your skin glows the next morning. Just keep on doing this like for a month and you will definitely see the results. I've been loving this line a lot. That's why I purchased a lot of her products, and you wouldn't believe it, is Keys-soul. Let me tell you guys, Keys-soul, oh my Alicia Keys, you did something well. You did this, girl, like if it was made for me. Oh, I can't remember the moisturizer I used to use before. I do not use that anymore, but now I use from Alicia Keys the Skin Transformation Cream. This cream transforms everything about your skin. It makes your skin bright, smooth. It's, oh my god, it's just really amazing. I could just slap on this, put on my sunscreen, and that's it. And it's such really amazing. This got my skin very smooth. I have like uneven skin tone, and I did went to the doctor. I have hyperpigmentation like all around my face, and my body is lighter than my face. So I have on certain spots on my body, I have hyperpigmentation. I do treat it, and I will come to you guys about treating hyperpigmentation. I did an old video, but I will be doing an updated video how to really treat it better than how I did before, because the results what I have now is just amazing, just really amazing. I'm very shocked. So in a few months, let me say in 1 or 2 months, I'll do an updated video about hyperpigmentation. It actually has it also non-fragrance, so all who has allergies and stuff, you can buy the non-fragrance one. It smells very neutral. It has a very herb scent, I would say, for me. Very cute quote in the back, what I really like, and all of her products really has that. From these 3 products are from the Keys line, Keys-soulcare line. It's the Be Luminous Exfoliator, this right here. I always look for a face scrub, and this stuff right here, especially in the winter time when you get like dry skin around this area, and due to wearing the mask, I really do tend to get a lot of dry skin there. I use this product once or twice a week. Do not use it more or anything, because don't forget it is an exfoliator, so all who has sensitive skin has to be very careful with this product right here. This is one of the products what helped me with my hyperpigmentation. It's so amazing, and I just go in and scrub my face with it. It is gorgeous. I just really like it how it really works for me, and it's good. Makeup game a little bit simple and easy is what I really go for. I just keeping it very nice like that, to be honest. And one of the products what I start using, I saw this on the Hilux. Oh my god, I'm sorry if I say your YouTube name very wrong. The Hilux something is so amazing. I just love her aesthetic and everything. She inspires me to really bring out more of my femininity, and it's, oh, she's just great. And she was using the Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. This is a primer and a moisturizer. Y'all, this stuff is just really good. It's really creamy, and it's from Bobbi Brown, so you can actually see. I love how this like slid on. Sometimes I just use it on my hands, because like your hands need loving too. It's an all-in-one, so that is really good. I do have primers. This is one of the holy grails why I would say this all-in-one, because I am a person, I'm looking for multiple products but just in one, and this is one of those products where I say this is very good. So we are going down to the body, and the first thing what I will be talking about I will be doing a video also on this. It's like how to lighten your armpits. I have pretty much like dark armpits, and due to I have something called like where I sweat a lot, so I had it till in my teens. I never really used to take care of it that much, just take care of the sweating, but like scrubbing your armpits more. And I did also hair removal laser. The lady burned my skin, so I have scarring on my armpits due to that. But I found something what helps me really well. Dr.Bonner, the 18-in-1 soap. I have it in rose. I tried all of them, but I love rose, peppermint, baby. This shower gel keeps you fresh for a very long time. It keeps you fresh, and it also moisturizes your skin. I use my African sponge, and I use this. I go in all there and like scrub my armpits. I go in and like scrub my back, my legs, my knees, everything all over my body. This is a very good, this product right here. I will be talking about Dr.Bonner's, all of his product lines. I use their soap. I use, like I said, the shower gel, the cream. I even have the samples. So this soap, yes, it's a yes for me. Now we are coming to spring, and everything, you know, you don't want like to be like all that sweaty and stuff. For the armpits, I actually looked this up, and I was very shocked that it actually helped. I've been using the Glycolic Acid for 2 months from The Ordinary, and these have different percentage on it. So this is the Glycolic Acid, 7%. This is a toning solution, right? You can use it on your face, but I use it particularly for my armpits because I saw it on YouTube, and you know, sometimes it's very fishy if it would work or not, but you have to try it to see if it works. And it actually did. I took like a cotton pad, sprinkled some on top, and I just actually dab it underneath my armpits when mostly likely in the night. I actually do that. So I dab it underneath there, and let me tell you guys something, like my armpits has gotten lighter. I'm not afraid to show it. You can actually see here some scarring. So I will be showing you guys maybe in 2 or 3 months how my armpit got. The scarring will definitely stay. I know that for sure. It will stay, but I kind of do nothing about it. It happened, and I have to live with that scarring underneath my armpits from the lady who actually lasered me. There's nothing about going to be sued or anything. So we're gonna do for the body. Like I said, springtime is coming up. When I want to stay fresh in spring and in summer, I am definitely going for my Dr.Bonner soap. But if you know this brand, what I'm going to be talking about, then you know you're going to be smelling like a snack. Your skin will be feeling like a snack. It will be definitely smooth. I saw this product on Douglas, and I said, you know what? I have to buy it. I don't know where the cream is, but everybody knows Soul, the Brazilian Bomb Bomb cream. I have the shower gel to it now. The shower gel. Let me tell you guys something. This thing, summer, all who will be smelling me will know I will be smelling like a snack because I love the cream, and the shower just smells the same way. Oh my goodness. Last year summer, a lot of people asked me why I was smelling like fresh and Caribbean vibes and things. Of course I'm Caribbean, but I'm a Trimbagonian, and I love to smell good. I love to take care of my skin and have my skin glowing and stuff. And I was using the Brazilian Bomb Bomb cream. If they have that in the bigger one, I'm definitely going to get it. And this is actually the shower gel to it. So you know what your girl gonna do. This is the creamy moisturizing shower gel. That is definitely a must. Child, did I just not showed on my bronzer? Oh my god. My bronzer from Becca. Oh my god. It's all good. So they're the last 2 products I will be talking about. One is very high end, and the other one is also from Keys-soulcare. It's actually my neck and décolleté concentrate from LaMer. This product is very expensive, but I got this in a PR package. You guys don't have to purchase this if you don't want to. There's other stuff, but I just like how it has gotten smoother. I am using products now what actually works tremendously for me and only for me. what works for me don't have to work for you. The next product, what I love, what I would definitely be using the whole summer, is the Alicia Keys Scald Body Oil. This body oil right here. Especially when you finish shave your legs or wax your legs and stuff, you just go in. Look at that. This is just like so good. You go in, just take a little bit. I'm gonna dive it on my shoulder and show you guys how wonderful this product works. You can actually see if I put my skin like in the sun. I'll go up a little bit closer and you're gonna see how beautiful this product makes your skin look. Like very smooth and nice. It does have a little scent to it, but a slight scent. And what I really like about that product is that it don't stain your clothes. So the best way how they said to use it is actually after you come out of the shower, then you put it on your skin, because like your skin is still wet, so it will absorb the water and stuff. So that's a go. That's a go. So you guys, I think that is actually all the products what I've been using for the past few months since last year summer. I really changed it up a lot. I noticed a lot of change on my skin. Today I just have on like I put on a little bit of mascara, that was it, a little bit of highlighter, and that was it. So a really good skincare routine can really do a lot for you. You don't have to be buying the most expensive products. You don't have to be buying spend a lot of money. I am not telling you guys that what works for you, but now and then switch it up a little bit, so you know there are also other good products out there to actually help you embrace your skin more and feel that wonderful luxurious skin, soft smooth skin. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned and stay safe. Love. See you guys.